Personal Finance for Beginners in India. Simple Money Guide. Most people earn money, but still struggle financially. The problem is not income. It's lack of personal finance knowledge. In this video, you'll learn personal finance basics for beginners in India. Explain simply, what is personal finance? Personal finance means how you earn, spend, save, and invest your money. If you don't control money, money controls you. Good personal finance brings peace, freedom, and security. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Even small tracking can change your financial future. 50-30-20 budget chart. Indian rupees, notebook and pen, clean infographic style, minimal design, realistic lighting. Saving is paying yourself first. Build an emergency fund of at least 6 months' expenses. This protects you from job loss, medical emergencies, and stress. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but credit card misuse and unnecessary loans destroy finances. Avoid buying luxury on EMIs. If you can't afford it today, wait. Start investing. Early, saving is safe, but investing builds wealth. Start SIPs and mutual funds early. Thanks to compounding, time matters more than amount. Financial discipline. Wealth is not built overnight. Consistency, patience, and discipline are the real secrets of rich people. Small steps daily create big results. Start today. Track your money. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more finance wisdom.